Hey everyone, welcome back to just a quick update video. I thought I'll just thought I'll actually do a video because community posts on YouTube don't really reach everyone, and not everyone really looks at community posts. But I thought I will do just a quick video and say hello, and that I've created a new Facebook group called SOPA's Support Group. And the reason behind that is because, well, two reasons. One, I've been wanting to do it for a while. Two, I find that YouTube and my social media pages like Instagram and Facebook for Dawn Organics limits what I can post, and limits viewers and people wanting to upload pictures and videos or ask questions or just to chat with other soap makers. So I think the group will be a really, really great way for soap makers globally to come together and share their experiences, or if they're having issues or whatever the case is, to reach out and to the wider global community, I guess, and ask for help if they have any issues, or if they just want to chat soap, because as discussed, soap makers can feel a little lonely at times when you don't have soap makers around you to talk soap with. So I just want it to be just a supportive group. People come together. You can post whatever you like, whether it's questions, whether it's videos, whatever. Sky's the limit. I'm not limiting people what they can post and what they can ask. And it's great because, everyone will be on there. Hopefully, the numbers will grow. I think there's just like a couple of people there now. I only created it, half an hour ago. But, I think when everyone comes together and you ask questions or you just want to share information, I'm sure others will appreciate it, and I'm sure others will be willing to answer any questions you have. So, yeah, I will leave the links down below. You can just search Dawn Organics group or Soap Support Group on Facebook and I'll come up. Or you just go to facebook.com/groups/Dawn Organics, and that'll just take you directly there, but I'll provide links in the description as well. So thank you very much, and happy 2023, happy new year to everybody, and hopefully the Facebook group will grow just like my YouTube channel, and we can all come together and support each other. I really want to make a positive community like we do have here already on YouTube as well. So all the viewers and subscribers to my channel, thank you very much, and you're more than welcome to head on over to the Facebook group. All right, so take care, and my next video will be on the 28th of January. I've just started testing out my new recipe, dish and laundry bars, so I won't give too much away, but it's looking pretty good, so we'll see further updates on that video. So that'll be on the 28th of January, 7 a.m. Sydney, Australian Eastern Standard Time, or the 27th, whether, if you're from overseas, because Australia is generally ahead of the world, time-wise anyway. All right, so until then, see you later, and hope to see everyone on the Facebook group. Bye for now.